So I want to let you guys in on a little secret right now. Although there are some people that are negative or talk about, one step forward, two steps back, that's actually not what's happening in terms of ADA. In fact, we've been in this 3-month trend now that is in fact bullish when it comes to ADA. And there have been a few shifts that people need to be paying attention to. And I want to show you guys this. I'm Luckside. Welcome to the channel. If you guys are new or haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. Hit that bell again. It's free to do. It'll keep you updated anytime there's new content live here on the channel. So unfortunately, people will look at these last 8 months and just say, oh yeah, ADA's been bad. We're down in terms of price. Some people will look at, from 2021 and say, oh yeah, things are really bad. But in fact, they're really not. Obviously ADA did quite well early on in this market cycle. It surged. It went from basically 22-cent lows of the bear market all the way up to 81-cent high in the early part of the bull market, looking very good. And then we dealt with, yes, months of consolidation. However, that trend has in fact been changing. And in fact, over the last 3 months, guys, ADA, now almost exactly 3 months, ADA is moving up and to the right. All right. So this is a trend that has been taking place since August 5th. And if you guys can see, we have been in this process of, again, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. Even not right now, at the time of filming this video, ADA is trying to confirm even a higher low than what we experienced back here in the latter part of October. So this is obviously a very strong side for ADA. We've actually been in this ascending channel. We're looking very good. Maybe it's not to the level that some people want. Hey, I get it. I don't control the charts. I would love if ADA was 81 cents. It's not, and this is where we're at right now. But I will say that there are some people pointing towards retests of 3 months highs. In fact, they're talking about a push above 37 cents. This could be a very strong sign for ADA. And in fact, this is the move that would propel us. This is what would push us back towards 40 cents. If we cross our 200-day moving average, that's a very bullish sign. And then frankly, we're looking at actually our 20-week moving average. All right. No, not 20-week, 50-week moving average. Okay. That's 41 cents. Next targets are 44 cents. I mean, ADA can move very quickly. And right now you're seeing all the right signs take place, but that's not even the most bullish thing. We have actually seen a massive shift in the short and long interest in terms of ADA. If you guys remember, there were so many people that were betting against ADA and pushing price down and just thinking that we were going to continue dropping the downside. But that short to long interest ratio has shifted. In fact, right now, we're seeing a 71% long ratio versus 28% short. So more people are actually bullish on ADA than there are bearish. That is a very strong shift in trends from what we've seen over the last, 8 months or what would have been 5 months, right? Now, this is the biggest thing that people need to understand. This doesn't mean immediate price movement. This doesn't mean we're immediately shooting to the upside, right? Unfortunately, I think some people get this confused, and I really want to be clear on this. There will be times where ADA makes a very strong move in a single day. But many of the times, like you've seen in the past here, it takes multiple days to do this. There are corrections along the way. There will be days of drop, all right? I see people all the time comment on price. Again, I pay attention to price daily, right? We have discussions about this so people know where things are at. And right now, there are so many things pointing towards positivity in terms of ADA, the moving ADA from the hands of the impatient to the patient, whales on the accumulation, speculators actually stepping in and buying now, short interest really dwindling. I mean, these are all positive signs for the immediate price action of ADA. Now, it's a question of, do we continue this trend, right? Do we see ADA push back up and set a new higher high? That would be a very strong move for ADA. If this does happen, I wouldn't be surprised by sometime mid to late November. Again, I want to reference this right here, right? Because this is exactly what happened in the last market cycle. We're kind of at that point where things start to change in terms of ADA. And of course, this week we're stuck with the election. We're stuck with the FOMC meeting taking place and concluding on Wednesday? No, concluding by Thursday. I think it's the 6th and the 7th. So we'll see obviously what interest rates are doing, but there are some things that may be very positive for ADA price movement. Remember, the biggest driver of ADA right now and always has been sentiment. And sentiment in the crypto market, it's gotten a little better, but then it fell flat again. And now we're kind of at this point of just waiting till post-election. We're waiting until the conclusion of this to see if we can resume, to see if BTC can start pushing higher, pumping some excitement into the market and really start opening up some of that capital that's parked and just waiting to re-enter or enter for the first time. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know your thoughts below. Do you think that ADA is going to test these 3 months highs? Do you think that we're getting set for a much more bullish movement in the not so distant future? Have a great day. Show your love below. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care.